The places we've worked, lived, and played have changed. The air we share and breathe can spread harmful particles. What if you could bring a technology trusted by hospitals and airports into your home and business? This is Cleantech, the world's most powerful and safest UVC air purifier. We are bringing medical-grade technology in an impossibly small form factor safely into your office, your home, your favorite places, your gatherings, and where you feel most safe. Today's air filters trap and collect dust particles, not eliminate them. The Cleantech difference? We combine HEPA level filtration with the highest intensity and exposure time of 254 nanometers UVC light in its size. UVC is dangerous when exposed to skin and eyes. We've safely intensified it with mirror-grade reflection and almost zero light leakage. It can be safely used 24/7. Cleantech is 3 times more powerful and effective than the best-selling product on the market. We maximize exposure time with our vertical design and vortex airflow technology.
My name is Dr. Harvey Lee. I'm a pediatric dentist here in Southern California, and one of the top priorities at our office here is patient safety. Most UVC light that I've researched, you have to be outside the room for a certain amount of time, 15-20 minutes, to be effective. But this is self-contained inside the unit, as you can see. It's safe for you to be in the room while you're treating patients.
This UVC technology is proven over 20 years to be very effective in hospitals all over the world. I don't know about you, but every time I hear someone cough or sneeze, I cringe. For the first time ever is being brought to you for your business, your family, your pets, your loved ones, so that they can feel safe and get back to work, get back to normal life.
At Super 73, especially during this time with COVID, we want to make sure that we set up all the right precautionary requirements, and that's why we offer UV hospital-grade filtration. So it's something safe that you can come in, feel comfortable.
We've spent years miniaturizing the technology inside massive medical UVC machines. Now, you can bring peace of mind safely, beautifully, in all the spaces you spend time. Support Cleantech and let's get back to life.